Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make some cauliflower or some buffalo cauliflower bites, and it's super healthy and it's really simple to make. What we'll need, I broke down a cauliflower in a previous video, and I have about 3 cups worth of cauliflower here. So I didn't separate it. I'm going to show you how I'll separate it, okay? And put it in a bowl and get it nice and coated so that we can bake it in the oven, all right? So what we're going to do is take off the stem part, and we can even eat that part as well. We can cook that as well, but I like to take it off so that we can actually go in and separate the cauliflower to make it to about bite-sized pieces, guys. So maybe about that size, good size, and then we're going to toss it in some oil and some seasonings, okay? So let me break them down and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So I have the cauliflower all broken down. It's about 3 cups, and you can use as much as you like. I like this ratio, 3 cups of fresh cauliflower. And I made them little bites like I said, see, good size so that it can just be nibbled on. In this bowl right here, I melted a little bit, probably about 1/4 cup of coconut oil, or whatever oil of choice that you like. And I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on them, and I'm going to toss them with some of the oil, and you may not have to use all of it, but this is just going to cause it to get, once I put it in the oven, to get nice and cooked through and give it good flavor. So kind of eyeball it. I think I put about 1/4, could be less. All depends on how much cauliflower that you use and how big your florets are, because when you buy a cauliflower, you know, you can break it down and it end up being a lot, or it can end up being a smaller amount. So depending on the size of your cauliflower. But I think for this, about 3 cups, I used about maybe 3 tablespoons, guys. And we're going to season it, salt and pepper to taste. If you like a lot of pepper, put a lot of pepper. If not, but remember, we're going to have our barbecue buffalo sauce going on this as well, so all depends how spicy you like it. I think a little bit of salt as well would work. So just season it lightly. The key is just to get it tossed in that oil and seasoning really well, because you want to do layers. When you're cooking, you want to do it in layers, you know, and that way you get every flavor in each bite. Okay, so that looks pretty good, guys. Think a little bit more coconut oil. Just a little more. It really absorbed that oil. So have you guys ever made some buffalo bites? I know we have buffalo chicken bites, but have you ever tried cauliflower buffalo bites? So what I did was I put a silicone, I always say it wrong, mat down on the large cookie sheet. And what you do is to spread it out. And this can be easily doubled, guys. So I'm just doing it with the remaining of my cauliflower that I had left. So what I'm going to do is bake it in the oven at 375 degrees. Now, halfway through, kind of turn them over with a spatula, just so they can get nice and brown all over and fully cooked through. Then I'll show you the next step, and that will be making the sauce while they're cooking. So let's get over there to the stove. Okay guys, so we're going to make the sauce. So this is going to be like I like to use sriracha barbecue, I like to use sriracha hot sauce. Now you could use regular hot sauce as well, but I like a little bit of sweetness in the sriracha. And what we're going to do is add a 1/4 cup of butter to this as well. So all we basically want to blend it together. So I'm going to put that inside a pot, get it all in there. And then we're going to let the butter melt down in there and continue to whisk it. The whisking will give it that nice smooth texture. Here's our butter. Okay, and just let that get warmed up, melted, and we're going to continue to whisk it, and now I'll show you what it looks like, okay? So let that melt down. Okay guys, so it's nice and smooth. Here, let me give you a closer shot. So look how smooth that looks. So you want it to get whisked nice and silky like that. Only takes a few minutes, and then let it cook for maybe 1 to 2 minutes to get well incorporated and let all the flavors melt together, okay? And then we're going to use this to coat our lovely cauliflower bites. All right, guys, and you can also use this in chicken wings or any type of meat. So let's go over here and coat our bites. Alright guys, so our cauliflower, roasted cauliflower is out of the oven. So you can cook it as dark as you like or as crispy as you like. I just like it to be just about tender, having some bite in there. So that was cooking for about 30 minutes. But like I said, you can continue cooking as long as you like. And guys, you can double the recipe. So this is a good amount of sauce. The sauce is like about half a cup. So you can put as much as you like on it. But I like to do maybe about a fourth of that. So we'll see how it looks. I just toss it to see how it looks. So, okay. Let me get some of this stuff out the way. Right? And our sauce is nice and velvety. Man, just going to put a little bit on there. Maybe 2 spoons, so about 4 tablespoons of this sauce. And like I said, you can save that sauce for another time. Gently toss it. Oh man, it looks so good. I'm excited about it. Because it's like, you know how you have chicken wings with the delicious buffalo sauce on it? Same concept. Except for you got something healthy here. And this will be really great, guys, for like somebody who's a vegetarian in your family. You can have these bites out. Of course, it's delicious for anyone, but it'll be really yummy for them as well. So they'll be excited about having it at your next party. So just go ahead and plate it up. This is a big plate I got here. But of course, like I said, double the recipe. Ooh, one is trying to escape. So you can double the recipe as well. And I like to put a little bit of chives on top just to make it look pretty. And of course, this will be more on this platter if you're serving it for guests. But I just wanted to make a little bit for me and my husband tonight. And we're going to give it a try and see what it tastes like. That's really good. I love sriracha. Now you can use any hot sauce, but my favorite is sriracha because it has that smokiness, sweetness. There's a perfect balance in that heat. Definitely, guys, make this. You can also, a tip, you can make the florets as big as you like, whatever size. It's just that when you cook it in the oven, it'll take a little bit more time to get them cooked through. But this is perfect, guys, and this will be great for guests. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys, and also subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos like this, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification every time I upload a new video. So I'm Rosemarie with Faithful Keto Kitchen. This is really good. I'm about to chow down on some of this right now. God bless you guys and have an amazing week. Bye, guys.